Hello and welcome. My name is Kristen, and if you're watching this video, you've heard about my new template, Instagram Gold Zones. This is so useful. You'll want to use it to optimize every video you make for Instagram. No more guessing the best spot, inconsistent looking titles across your grid, captions disappearing under the Instagram interface, or taking down videos to fix and repost. This guide helps you prepare, export, and post your videos professionally and efficiently, so they appear online exactly as you intended. I'm going to show you how to download it and use it right now. First, subscribe to my email list for great tools like this one. You'll also see I'm running a Kickstarter campaign soon, so you'll be the first to hear when it launches and get the best opportunity to grab a great deal. Enter your name and email, then click the yellow button. Go check your email and open the email from me, and inside click Confirm Your Subscription. After you do that, the template will pop up in a new tab, and you can right-click it to save it to your computer. Next, drag and drop it into your video project. You may need to resize it to fit your video's dimensions. Now you can use it to consistently and efficiently optimize your videos. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy!